How to make money on YouTube with 7 strategies. Making money on YouTube may not be your primary motivation for launching a channel, but the abundance of earning options is a pleasant surprise once you learn how many there are. Fortunately, there are a variety of unique ways to generate money on YouTube. Your YouTube channel's earning potential may be unlocked by your audience, as it is for Instagram influencers or bloggers, but it is the construction of numerous revenue streams, such as side hustles or enterprises, that allows you to make money. Joining the YouTube Partner Program and setting up monetization is critical whether you want to make money on YouTube without making videos or as a content creator. You must agree to abide by all of YouTube's monetization regulations and reside in a nation or area that offers the YouTube Partner Program. Once you've reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year, you can apply for monetization. Log into the YouTube account that you wish to make money from. In the top right corner, click the account symbol. Go to YouTube Studio and select it. Select Other Features, Monetization from the left menu. YouTube Premium is a paid subscription service that allows users to watch and support their favorite video creators without being interrupted by advertisements. YouTube Premium creators are compensated based on how many people watch their videos. While it's simple to set up, becoming a YouTube partner and earning money through advertising isn't the most lucrative revenue stream you can develop. Due to its desire to be more upfront about advertising on the network and what qualifies as advertiser-friendly material, YouTube has recently gotten a lot of controversy. Creators are now notified when their content is flagged, and they can protest any time they believe a video was mistakenly banned from YouTube's advertising network. Although advertising is a frequent way for creators to earn passive cash, YouTube's parent company, Google, retains about a 45% portion of ad revenue. We'll show you how to make money from YouTube without using AdSense from now on. 2. You may generate money with your YouTube channel by selling a variety of things. Merchandise broadens your reach by bringing your online brand and personality into the real world, and it strengthens your bond with your fans. You can even take it a step further by creating and selling your own unique products. As a YouTuber with a large following, you'll have 2 advantages right away that other business owners would envy. A content engine that sends visitors to your store on a regular basis. Your audience's trust, which you've gained by providing them with your own brand of material for free on a regular basis. If your idea is attractive enough, you can enlist the aid of your own audience and the crowdfunding community to help you acquire better equipment, hire actors, or cover other production costs. Consider making a video introducing your idea or giving a sample of what it'll be like. You're offering your voice to the internet as a creative without requiring your audience to pay for entrance. Many fan funding platforms provide creators with a new avenue for people to find their work as well as a chance to engage and reward their most devoted fans. When making live streaming on YouTube, Super Chat is a function that is employed. It allows you to set up a tip jar for your viewers to donate whenever and however much they want. As mentioned earlier, you'll need to set up your YouTube account for advertising. The membership platform simplifies the payment process for creators. 5. You can license your content in exchange for money if you make a viral video with mass appeal. If your videos go viral, TV news outlets, morning shows, internet news sites, and other creators may contact you about using them. 6. Brands are increasingly investing in influencer marketing and sponsorships. allocating a portion of their often substantial advertising expenditures to influencers who have previously earned the trust of their audiences. According to WebFX, the following are the possible rates for influencer marketing on YouTube. A YouTuber with 10,000 subscribers can charge $200 per video. A YouTuber with 100,000 subscribers can earn $2,000 per video. A YouTuber with 1 million subscribers can earn $20,000 per video. CrowdTap and Upfluence are two influencer marketplaces where you can upload your channel and be noticed by big and small brands. Some influencer marketplaces provide free products. 7. Last but not least, affiliate marketing is the practice of earning a commission by advertising another company's product or service. You can work as a brand's affiliate marketer and include product placements, endorsements, and other sorts of content in your work. ClickBank, 1% to 75% commission, depending on the vendor, and Amazon's affiliate network are two popular affiliate schemes, up to 10% per sale. You can also contact brands in your field that have their own affiliate programs, which is rather prevalent in the e-commerce industry.